Are you tired of shaky, unprofessional camera movements ruining your animations? Let's smooth those out in Adobe Animate, transforming jerky movements into visual appeal. Open your project, existing or new. The timeline has animation layers and keyframes, driving camera movement. Observe the keyframes creating camera movement. These points change the camera's position. Jumps between those keyframes cause issues. We need smooth transitions. Select the first keyframe for camera movement in the Property Inspector. Find Ease. Use drop-down options like Ease In, Ease Out, or Ease Both to configure the movement. Preview your animation for an immediate difference. For complex movements, zoom and pan. Use these settings on position and scale keyframes. Experiment with diverse ease settings on each keyframe to refine the camera movement. Adjust settings for gentle accelerations and decelerations, smoothing the initial jerky motions. Applying these easing techniques makes your camera movements more professional and visually engaging. Use these to add polish now. Create amazing animations.